transport. Okay, so all of you, do you have bicycle in your house? How many of you have bicycles? Are you all having bicycle? Can you tell me how many wheels does a bicycle? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now tell me.
2 tires.
Yes. How many tires does a bicycle have? 2 tires. And what else does it have? How do you drive the bicycle? See, all of you be quiet.
Malika ma'am, I'll mute everyone. You just ask whomever, ma'am. You also unmute yourself, ma'am. You also unmute, ma'am. Thank you.
So, how I hope everybody has a bicycle. You must have seen a bicycle, isn't it? So, how many wheels does a bicycle have? Chaturya, tell me, how many wheels does a bicycle have?
2.
How do you move that bicycle? What do you do to move the bicycle? Yeah, you will pedal it, no? You will have 2 pedals on both ends, isn't it? So you will be pedaling the
Malika
cycle.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, just a minute. Sorry to interrupt. Can I
Yes.
know who is this Lenovo Tab 7 Essential, ma'am?
That is mine.
Ma'am, can I know who is this Lenovo Tab 7 Essential?
Now my tab to share I opened, ma'am. Soundarya, it's mine.
Lenovo only, ma'am.
Soundarya, it's mine.
Okay, done, ma'am. Yeah. You can continue, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
So, how will you move a bicycle? By pedaling it, isn't it? Then what does a bicycle have? It has 2 handles and a seat, isn't it? You will sit on the seat, hold with the handle, and then you will pedal it so that the bicycle moves, isn't it? So, what is a bicycle? Is it a land transport, water transport, or air transport? Land transport. See, bicycle, does it move in water? No, it moves in the land, isn't it? So, can you travel for long distances in a bicycle?
No.
Yeah, no, it's very difficult to travel for long distance. So, bicycle, you always prefer for short distance, isn't it? Just going to the town or park or somewhere. Close by areas, we'll prefer to go by bicycle. So, then, anybody has some questions regarding bicycle?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
So, we'll be this.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then, how many of you comes to school by rickshaw? Have you gone on an auto rickshaw? Yes. I hope many must have gone through an auto rickshaw, isn't it? So, who drives the auto rickshaw? The auto driver, isn't it? How many wheels does an auto rickshaw have? Yes. How many, anybody is coming to school in auto rickshaw? Is it? Anybody is coming to a school? Okay. Then did you notice how many wheels does an auto rickshaw have? How many wheels does it have? It has 3, 1 in the front and 2 at the back. Yes. See, auto rickshaw also, it's not preferable to travel from one place to another place. Okay, it's also preferred to go in nearby towns and villages. Okay. We can't travel for long distances in auto rickshaw. It will be very tiring. So auto rickshaws, cycles and all are preferred for a short distances. So these both are, what are these means of transport? Is it a land or water or air? Auto rickshaw. It's a means of land transport. Land transport. Then what? Okay, then tell me another land transport. See, then car, lorry, then bus, truck, scooter. These are all means of land transport. So now I'll be showing you a few pictures regarding this land transport. Okay. Wait a minute. Lenovo, Malika. 1 minute. See, next page. So you can see what is this? What is this vehicle? Bus. So what is written in the sentence here? I take a bus to go to school. How do you go to school? In a school bus, isn't it? So this is the bus. See, the children are standing in a queue to board the bus. So you go to school by bus. This is a means of land transport. Then see this fellow, he's going to see this uncle, he's going to office. How does he go? I take my scooter. What is this vehicle? It is scooter.
Scooter.
To go to my office. He's going to his office in a scooter. Okay, scooter also is preferred for short distance. Okay, even though you can travel for long distance, it's better, preferable to go for short distance. And see here. How is she going to the market? I take my car to go to the market. How is she going? What is this vehicle? This is a car. How many wheels does a car have? It has 4 wheels, isn't it? So she's going to the market by the car. Then next one. What is this way? How do you go from one place to another when you are traveling to Hyderabad, Bangalore and all? You go by train or by bus, no? So this is the train. It has many bogies in it. See, yeah, it has many wheels. Okay. I take a train to go to my village. How is she going to the village? By boarding in the train. Okay. Train carries lot of people in it. It has different bogies which contains nearly many people can be seated in that particular bogie. Okay. So I take a train to go to my village. How is she going? From one place to another, they generally prefer train. And see here, what is this? Is it water, isn't it? This is water. So how does it go? I take a boat to go in water. What is the vehicle? We use a boat. Okay. I take a boat to go to an island. Island is a place where it is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Okay. Island will be only one portion will be land surrounded by water. So how do you go to an island? In a boat or a ship or something. Okay. So they are going to the island but through a boat. Then see, if you want to travel from one country to another, like if you want to go to USA, London and all, how will you go? You will go by air transport. Okay. And what is this air transport? This is aeroplane. So what is written here? I take an airplane to go to another country. When you are going to another country, you go through air transport, that is by flight. Okay. Aeroplane. So what all transport did you learn now? We learned about scooter, cycle, bus, then boat, car and aeroplane. So learned about land, water and air also. 3 we covered in this chapter. Okay, we saw land transport, that is bicycle, car, bus. Then water transport, we discussed about boat. And for air transport, we discussed about aeroplane. Okay. So this is regarding this. Today we'll be discussing regarding these topics in detail in each day. Okay. Coming days we'll be discussing in detail about different transports. So this now we discussed in general about land, water and air transport. Followed? So shall we go to the next topic now? That is literacy. Shall we go with literacy again? So what are the diagrams we learned in the previous classes before last term? What did for the last unit, what are the diagrams we learned? CH, TH, then SH, TH, WH. Yes, very good, Sophie. So today we'll be learning a new diagram. What is it? PH. The PH. P. So we'll be dealing with different words. Okay, I'll be showing you a few pictures. Okay. See. PH. F. Okay. Photo. One. See, this is PH. Okay. F. See, what is this? Trophy. Where is PH in this word? In the middle. Trophy. F. Then photo. F. Then see, PH. F. Photo. Then see, you can see PH in the middle of this word. Elephant. F. It's seen in the middle. So how do you spell PH? F. Elephant. Then see, dolphin. Dolphin. See, PH is in the middle. So what is the diagram we learned today? PH. F. Okay. For trophy, photo, dolphin, and one more we learned, elephant. See, so these are the words which will begin, which has the diagram PH. How did you pronounce PH? F. Photo. Elephant. In that, F is coming in the middle. Trophy. It's coming in the middle. Okay. So this is regarding the new diagram. What is the new diagram we learned? F. PH. How will you pronounce it? F. Okay. Photo. Trophy. Then elephant. Yes. So we'll be discussing about PH words in details in the next classes. Okay. So today we'll have only a rough revision of all these words. Now we'll deal with one more sight words. We have learned about sight words. He. So many sight words we learned last week, no? Last unit. So today we are introducing a new sight word, that is some. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. Okay.
S-O-M-G, some.
Some. Okay. So this is the new sight word we are learning today. S-O-M-E. How will you pronounce S-O-M-E? Some.
O-M-U.
M-E, some. Repeat all of you. S-O-M-E, some. S-O-M-E, some. So what all we learned today for EVS? We learned the different meanings. Some. So what are the topics we learned in team time? We learned about the transport, that is for land transport, water transport, and air transport. In land transport, we discussed about cycle, auto rickshaw. Then we have seen pictures regarding bus, train, car, scooter. Okay.
Bus, cycle,
Then we discussed water transport. Ritvika, be quiet. Don't shout, okay? And water transport, we have seen the picture of a boat. And for air transport, we have seen the picture of an aeroplane. Okay. And in literacy, we introduce a new diagram. What is that? PH. PH. Okay. And what are the words we learn? Trophy, elephant, photo. Okay. Now we will see. Do you remember the addition problems? Additions. What do you mean by addition? What is the symbol for addition? Yes, plus one sleeping line and one standing line. Okay. For addition, what you will do? What do you do in addition? You go on adding so that the number goes on increasing. What will happen when you add? The number goes on increasing, isn't it? When you add, it will go on increasing. So shall we do some addition? We'll have a revision of addition today. Okay. So I'll show you a few pics. So I'll be showing you some pictures. You should tell me. Now see, you can see the picture of two monkeys now. What are the monkeys doing there? Two monkeys are sitting. So you can see two monkeys here. Now see here. What happened? Three more joined there. Here you can see two monkeys. Along with these two monkeys, how many joined here? 1, 2, 3. Can you see? How many joined? 1, 2, 3. So when you join, what is the symbol that comes for joining? Plus. Okay, addition. So you are adding. Yeah. So what are you doing in this here? When you're joining something, you are adding few more. Okay. Along with these two monkeys, you are adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And what is the next picture? We'll see what happens. See, they are adding here. What is the symbol here? You can find the symbol. What is the symbol here? Addition symbol. That is plus. So here, 1, 2 monkeys. Along with that, you added plus symbol. In that, you added 3 more monkeys. Then what is the what happens when you add 3 more here? Now count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many you got here? You add 3 more, you got the answer 5. Yeah, you got 5. So how many monkeys are there? 5. No, again one more example.
5 monkeys.
You can see here 2 monkeys. Along with the 2 monkeys, 3 have joined. So how many you got? 5 monkeys. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got 5 monkeys. Again, one more example. How many apples are there in this table? Count. 1, 2, 3. So how many apples are there? 3. Again, what happened? 3 more added. You can hear there is already 3. Now here another 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 3 more are added. Then what happens? When you add, what is the symbol you add here? Plus. Okay. This is the symbol. 1, 2, 3. Along with that, you added 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the next one? Now you count. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
So there are 3 apples on the table and 3 more are added. So how many are there altogether? Now count. 1, 2, 3. You added 3 more. 4, 5, 6. So how many apples you got here? 6 apples. Okay, you got 6 apples here. Okay. So did you follow? This is just a revision of the addition which you have already learned. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what all we discussed today? Can anybody tell me what all we discussed today? So with, can you tell me what did we learn in theme time? So with transport. What? Okay. Yashna, be quiet, Yashna. Yashna, be quiet. So, be quiet, Yashna. Okay. So, Suved will tell me what are the.
What is some?
Some.
No, wait. I'll ask one by one.
Diagram.
See, you are creating lots of disturbance. Can you hear me? Okay. Suved, once more, repeat now. What are the transport you learned today?
Land transport, air transport, water transport.
Yes. Mokshit Yadav, in
Water
land, what all we learned? Okay, Suved. Mokshit.
Bicycle,
Then?
car, train,
Oh. Bus.
auto,
Oh, yeah. Bus. Then, in water transport, what we have seen, Pink, Yashna, water transport, what did you learn? Where were they going in the boat? Where did they go in the boat?
boat,
To an island, isn't it? They have. You saw the picture. Yeah, they went in a boat to the island. Okay. Then, when you travel from one country to another, Ritvika, which is a means of transport. When you want to travel from one place to another, one country to another.
air transport,
Air transport. You go by aeroplane. Okay.
elephant,
Now, Harvesh, in literacy, what is the diagram we learned? Harvesh. H for. What are the words we learned? Nakshatra will tell me. What are the PH words?
dolphin,
Dolphin. Then Harvesh, one more you can tell. One word which we learn with PH. Trophy. Okay.
photo,
Okay. Okay. Now, Jashwita, can we tell you one? Can you tell me which is the sight word we learned today? Jashwita, sight word.
some,
Sum. S-O-M is sum. Okay. S-O-M is sum. Then Kiranya, in numeracy, what did we discuss today? In numeracy, what did we discuss? Kiranya, are you there? Kiranya, are you there? Joe Achyut, what did we discuss in numeracy? Joe Achyut.
numeracy, ma'am,
What did you learn?
adding addition,
Yeah. What all have we added? What was the problem? First problem we added. What was the picture I showed you?
monkey,
Yes, monkeys. Then second sum, what did I show you?
monkey,
And monkeys, how many monkeys were there? Along with 2 monkeys, you added 3 monkeys. Okay, so you got the answer 5. And next was 3 apples. Along with that, you added 3 more apples. So what was the answer you got?
6.
6 apples. Okay. So this is just a revision of what we have learned previously. Okay. So anything else you want to ask me? You want to? Any doubts or anything? Do you have any doubts? No? So which is this month? Can you tell me which month is going on now? January is the first month of the year, isn't it? Which year is it now? Which year?
2020.
2020. Are you saying 2020?
2021.
Yeah, 2021. Yeah. This year is 2020 already gone. So we have entered into 2021. Okay. Now In the evening class, ma'am will be discussing about how you spent your holiday. So be prepared with few words so that you can narrate your vacation, how you spend your vacation. Okay. So all of you be prepared with 2 or 3 sentences regarding how you spent your vacation. So shall we see in the evening class again? So I think it's time to end up the class. Okay. Be prepared for the evening
Yes,
session.
ma'am.
Okay. Bye. Then see you in the evening. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.